humming to help you feel calm. Let's go.
Sound speed. Episode 11. Charlie, take 1. Action.
One of my favorite ways to help kids come back to calm is VU humming. And VU humming is really simple, but also very powerful. It's a sound that helps our body and our mind to just settle. It also helps release feelings that feel a little stuck in the mind and in the body. So let's begin. Let's give it a try just by finding a comfortable place to sit. You can sit cross-legged or however feels best for you. Now just take a moment to close your eyes if that feels nice. And take a deep breath in. And let it out ever so slowly. Now we're going to make this VU sound together. Let's take a big breath in, and as you breathe out, make that VU sound. Ready? VU. Just feel the way it makes your chest and body vibrate gently. It might make you giggle a little bit. Let's try that again. Big breath in. Now this time, let's see if you can send the vibration all the way down your body. Big, big inhale. This might feel really silly at first, but when we make this sound, we're strengthening the vagus nerve, which is a special part of our body that helps us feel safe and relaxed. It tells our nervous system that we're A-okay and helps us to just let go of stress and release any tight feelings that we have inside. As we VU, let's just start to gently rock back and forth like a boat floating on soft waves. You can even wrap your arms around yourself in a little hug as you rock. And let's do this together. You ready? Big breath in. Now let's just pause, just for a moment. And just notice. You might feel warm, spacious, or maybe a whole dance of sensations inside and around your body. And maybe you feel a little calmer. Or maybe the waves of thoughts and feelings have just settled a little bit.
So how do you guys feel after that?
I feel tired.
I feel pretty relaxed.
I feel pretty happy.
Now remember, you can come back to your VUing again and again anytime that you need, and it can be especially fun when you do it with a friend.